I am beyond happy. I got one of my favorite sandwiches from Subway. Chicken teriyaki. Mm. Mm. I got everything on here. Mm. 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 Delicious. What I got again? The chicken teriyaki with sweet onion chickpea, American cheese, toasted spinach, tomatoes, cucumbers, pickles, green onions, black olives, onions, jalapeno, sweet onion teriyaki. This stuff is amazing. And especially because I really love my green peppers. Did it say green peppers on here? Spinach, tomatoes, cucumbers, pickles, green peppers, black olives, onions, jalapeno, sweet onion teriyaki. Oh, this is my favorite bag of chips. Jalapeno chips. And I did order a bundle. I'm gonna eat this later tonight. Delicious. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I was here for 3 months. 3 months. And I forgot about Subway, to be honest with you. I forgot that they make chicken sandwiches like this. And yeah, 3 months in Arizona and I couldn't find a deli. Think, think, think. Subway, baby.